We'll guide you through how to create a cartoon shader in Blender using the latest methods and UI elements of 2025-2026. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Blender and make sure you're in the shader editor. You'll want to start by adding a new material to your object. Simply go to the Material Properties panel and click on New to create a new material. Once that's done, you need to add a shader to RGB node. You can do this by pressing Shift+A, going to the Converter category, and selecting Shader to RGB. Place this node in the Shader Editor workspace. Next, you need to connect the output of your existing shader, like the principled BSDF, into the Shader to RGB node. This node will allow you to convert the shader data into color data, which is essential for achieving a cartoon look. Now, you'll want to add a color ramp node to create the distinct color bands typical of a cartoon shader. Again, press Shift+A, navigate to the Converter section, and choose Color Ramp. Connect the output of the shader to RGB node into the input of the color ramp node. You'll see a gradient bar in the color ramp, which you can adjust to create the color bands. Add more color stops by clicking the plus icon, and move them closer or further apart to get the desired effect. For a more dramatic cartoon look, limit the number of colors and increase the contrast between them. The final step is to connect the output of the color ramp to the input of the base color in the Material Output node. This will apply the color changes to your object. To enhance the cartoon effect, you might also want to add an ambient occlusion node for better shadow details. Connect it to the color ramp to see how it affects the shading. And there you have it, a simple way to create a cartoon shader in Blender. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.